up guys? I am back to put a smile on your face. जोकर को देख के आया ना स्माइल? हाँ, so अब get ready to enjoy a new segment of our show, What's the Logic? Today we will take a look at the old but gold TV serial. और वैसे भी गोल्ड का दाम तो इतना बढ़ चुका है कि आज के जमाने में वैसा दूसरा शो देख पाना तो दूर की बात है. Okay, I got it, bad one. Anyways, we will take a look back upon the reality-based comedy. I wish it wasn't a reality-based. Office. This show's premise of a comedy surrounding a helpless common man in different corrupt offices is such a relatable concept in India since ages, and even today, dare I say, will remain for eternity and beyond. We don't know if the ones who made the show could see the true India or had a Baba who could just predict it. What I wanna say is, they just showed the Indian audience the harsh truths of corruption involved in every possible job or service in this country. Yeah, quite literally. And they even managed to make us laugh at it. Like the Joker who stood there for chaos. This show brought to us the fictional fun and chaos of the corrupt Indian office structure. I applaud this show's writing for tackling these serious issues of a common man with insane humor and realistic sarcasm.
अरे thank you sir, रुला दिया ना आपने तो.
ऑफिस की बात किया. चल निकल. Sorry for the interruption. I think they did not face any corruptions on the set, or maybe the writers and the creators were involved in corruption. Whatever the reason be, they made this show unique and funny. It was not a slapstick comedy, but it left a great impact on the face and the hearts of the audience. Just like a slap would do. Damn. Did that person have a knack of ending up in most corrupt offices? वो कहते हैं ना कि जब किस्मत खराब हो तो ऊंट पे बैठे बौने आदमी को भी कुत्ता काट लेता है. Exactly, that was the situation. Who could have done this character any more justice than the veteran actor Pankaj Kapoor did? His acting as a surrendered and troubled common man fighting to get his work done was brilliant. He was the main character of the show around whom the story revolved. It was indeed a joy to watch him play Musaddi Lal. पंकज कपूर, असावारी जोशी, देवेन भुजानी, हेमंत पांडे, मनोज पावा, संजय मिश्रा.
ये सब उस पागल की वजह से. चिल्ला मत ढूंढू, just chill.
Alright, this show had a brilliant cast. कभी-कभी तो सोचता हूँ यार सेट पे क्या हालत हुई होगी. Beat the Pune Shukla played by Sanjay Mishra और Patil played by Deven Bhojani. Also Bhatia played by Manoj Pava, and not to forget Pankaj Kapoor's Musaddi Lal. This cast had the power to make people laugh on the most serious of the skits with their amazing acting skills. The give and take of their actions and dialogues were picture perfect. The comedy was electrifying. I just love you, Mishra ji.
Don't do. क्या हुआ? Just chill.
Yes. Who does not remember Patel's character? The sleazy corrupt guy who should have been probably on India's foreign affair panel. Because he was so damn convincing. हरामी सबको बाटले में उतार लेता था. देवेन भोजानी was a class actor in this character.
उसका एड्रेस होगा यहाँ. हुआ तो ठीक है, नहीं हुआ तो दो बातें हो जाएगी.
Well, the show consisted of a dry humor which was very well executed. Some of the serious situations were shown in extremely funny, sarcastic and dramatic ways which left a great impact on the viewers. The show also focused on the problems of the people living in the atmosphere of growing corruption everywhere in a very light and crisp way, yet at the same time being clear and loud. Hats off for focusing on such a brave content and humor. The end is the part where people would want everything to just go right. That's why they say, अंत भला तो सब भला. But this show changed the trend. It would always end up with Musaddilal in a mess, but it would still be funny and the audience would just want him to be messed up at the end of every episode. People just crave for more scams and corrupt stories to come up. Now that is twisted.
मुंडन की मिठाई जरूर खिलाइएगा.
They were indeed, not only in terms of words, but also money. पैसा फेंक, तमाशा देख, और पैसे पे तो दुनिया कायम है. It may be any office, but Musaddilal would just be treated and merited on the amount of money he gave away. Right from the clerk to the big boss, everybody would just brush him off like a nobody. वो कहते हैं ना, कुत्ता धोबी का, ना घर का, ना घाट का. This serial had a format like the Western TV shows. It did not have a certain story over a period of episodes like the other sitcoms. Instead, it would tell us a new story in every episode related to corruption in a very different and entertaining way. It kept the viewers guessing and left them curious for the next episode every time. Okay, consider this. The amount of money Musaddilal spent throughout the entire series was even more than Pakistan's GDP. Or he could have just opened a Swiss bank. Well, yeah, maybe not the bank, but at least a teeny tiny account in it. अगर उतने से पैसे में स्विस बैंक खोला बोलूंगा तो बिजनेस और पॉलिटिकल सर्कल में तो जोक बन जाएगा, है कि नहीं? ए राजा. Office was a successful show which has touched the hearts of the people and has kept them talking about it even after it is over. It was a TV serial which was later made into a movie because of its immense popularity, and also a second season of the show called Naya Office was started. ये शो तो छोटा पैकेट में बड़ा धमाका था. This show taught us how to deal with government officials or official matter. Now, whenever a government official catches us, we don't ask क्या हुआ, we ask कितना हुआ. Jokes apart, were the corrupt politicians inspired by seeing Office? क्या? ऐसे जोक्स नहीं मारू. अरे but that was a valid question.
चुप बैठ, तू पिटवाएगा पगले.
Well, in those days, Sub TV was brilliant in providing such fresh comedies. Office was the pinnacle. It was funny, realistic, dramatic, made us think of the reality in our country, touched our conscience. उनके टीम को What's the Logic का सलाम. छोड़ यार, रोटी बनने चला तो AI भी ले लेगा.
या सर, परफेक्ट शॉट दे रहा है, एकदम बढ़िया काम कर रहे हो.
हाँ भाई, करना पड़ता है. देखो, अच्छा काम नहीं किया तो दो बातें हो सकती है. एक, या तो डायरेक्टर मुझे निकाल देगा, या फिर दूसरा कि मुझे पिटवा के काम करवाएगा. अगर निकाल दिया तो ठीक है, मगर नहीं निकाला तो फिर से दो बातें हो सकती है. एक, या तो मैं अच्छे शॉट्स दूंगा, या फिर दूसरा अपना हमेशा का 15 से 20 टेक. अगर अच्छे शॉट्स दे भी दिए तो ठीक है, वरना फिर से दो बातें हो सकती है. एक, या तो ऑडियंस मुझे निकालने को सोचेगी, या फिर दूसरा कि डायरेक्टर मुझे निकालने को सोचा, और डायरेक्टर ने निकालने को सोचा तो ठीक है, वरना ऑडियंस निकालने की सोचेगी तो मैं तो गया ना. और
अरे बस करना येड़े, समझा मेरे को.
मेरी भी हालत मुसद्दिलाल जैसी है. साला स्पॉट बॉय भी एड़ा बोल के चला जाता है. मम्मी, शूट चालू है ना यहाँ पे, तो आधे घंटे से सोई पड़ी है.